Hello there. In this video, I am gonna show you how to enable Hibernate feature in Windows 11. Enable Hibernate feature in Windows 11. Many times you find yourself needing to shut down your device, but you don't want to close the windows and programs you are using because you are not done yet. This may be a crisis for many who aspire to shut down their devices and complete the work at a later time, but fortunately, there is a simple solution that allows the possibility of shutting down a computer of any type and completing the work as it is without losing anything. Download Windows 11 officially. 1. Go to Control Panel. Go to Control Panel through the desktop icon or by searching for it in the Start menu search bar. 2. Select System and Security. 3. Choose Power Options. 4. Modify Power Button Tasks. From the side menu, choose Change what the power buttons do. 5. Activate the Hibernate feature. Click on Change Settings Currently Unavailable. Activate Hibernate. By pressing the button next to it, click Save. Now you can use Hibernate mode through the power menu as it appears. Here we go. We are done. MD was with you on everything. PS.